Okay, I don't know about you, but I just don't have the time or the desire to post on Instagram, post on TikTok, post on Facebook, post on LinkedIn, post on Pinterest, post on Twitter. I mean, you can literally spend your whole life posting on social media. I just been using this software right here. Okay, this software is freaking amazing. It's repurposesoftware.com. And let me log in and just show you how simple this process is. Okay, okay. All right, here I am. So the first thing you want to do is a simple dashboard. You got all your little items over here on the side. You know what I mean? And then, oh, I just noticed something. They just added a calendar right there. And anyway, the first thing you want to do is you want to make some connections, okay? And making a connection is basically all you're doing is syncing your social media accounts to this software. For instance, everything that shows up right here are software or social media platforms and things of that nature that I can either pull content from and or send content to. Now, if you see where it says source only, that means that I can extract content from that particular platform, but I can't send content to that platform using repurpose.io. If you see where it says destination only, it means that I can send content to that particular platform only, but I can't extract content from that platform. Now, when you see where it says source/destination, simply means that I can do both. I can send and receive. I can give and receive. Okay. And so, for instance, if you want to connect your YouTube channel, you need to at least connect two channels here, FYI. All you got to do is click on YouTube and then you're going to hit connect. And then your YouTube channels are going to come up right there. Let me move my emails out the way. Your YouTube channels are going to come up and then you just simply sign in. That's all you do. And then you connect another social media platform and another one and another one and another one. All right. So here's all the social media platforms that I have connected. I've connected YouTube, Twitter, TikTok. Ooh, they even have TikTok. Okay. Pinterest, LinkedIn, Instagram, Google Drive, Facebook, and my podcast. Okay. So I've synced all of those accounts. Step one, sync your accounts. How do you sync your accounts again? Click the add new connection button. Sign in to your social media accounts. Voila, you're done. What do we do next, Robbie? We move on to step two. What's step two? We need to create a workflow. What is a workflow? A workflow is an automated process that says, okay, when you do this, the software will do this. For instance, let's just imagine I wanted to create a workflow that insinuates that every time I drop a video into my Google Drive, that repurposed software takes my video from Google Drive and automatically sends it to TikTok, automatically sends it to LinkedIn. That's how I got mine set up. And it's very, very easy. Okay. So here's a prime example. I'm going to create workflow, and you want to think, where am I getting it from? Where am I sending it to? Why is that important? Because that should determine the way you name this particular workflow. For instance, I'm going to name this workflow IG, which stands for Instagram. So I'm going to say IG to let's just say LinkedIn. Okay, LinkedIn. So IG to LinkedIn. Basically, what I'm saying is anything that lands on my IG account, I want you to automatically send it to LinkedIn. Okay. You have to connect, you have to tell it what to do specifically for each social media platform. But the good part is once you set all of this up, you no longer have to log into the platform. So here's what I'm going to do. Remember, I named it. What did I just name it? IG to LinkedIn. So we're going to select our IG account right here. And I'm telling it to pull from my reels. Okay. Now you can tell it to pull from your feed if you want to. I'm on video content now. So I'm telling it, hey, anything I post on my IG reels, I need you to um, automatically send it to LinkedIn. So I'm going to hit next after I do that. and it says choose an action. Usually I don't mess with this. All right. It says upload video, and I want to upload the full video. I don't want to do a snippet. You can do a snippet, but I don't do that. You can upload just audio, extract the audio from. I don't do that. Take my video, put it on this other social media platform. I'm gonna hit next. All right, then it's telling me to choose a destination. Where am I sending it to? LinkedIn, baby. So I'm gonna put it on my LinkedIn. Now I can choose to put it on my personal account or my company account. Of course, I want it to go on my personal account. And then just like that, I hit done. One more step. Okay. Notice up here how I just connected the IG to the LinkedIn, but it's not purple like the rest of these. Why? Because I got to determine now, do I automatically want the software to send all my content over there, or do I want to manually do it? If you have content that you don't want showing up on other social media platforms, because I know people are different on different platforms. Some content you post on TikTok, you won't post on Facebook. I understand. So you might want to manually do that. To me, that defeats the purpose because this software is supposed to take care of it for you. So if you want to do it manually, you want to hit right here where it says view content. I want you to notice something though. I'm gonna just hit refresh real quick and notice it's extracted 199 videos from my Instagram already. Okay, that's big dog status. I'm gonna click right there where it says view content. Now here's all my content from Instagram. I can go in there and just hit publish and start publishing these one by one to LinkedIn, or I can hit auto, which means it's going to automatically publish all of my content there. And I can say, hey, publish everything I've ever posted, which you don't want to do because if you flood these other social media platforms with all of that content at once from the very beginning of your social media, it could send off a red flag and cause your social media account to be shut down. So I'm going to choose only content published on this date or newer. Okay. In the date or newer, I'm going to say, hey, only publish content from, January 17, 2023 and future content. Don't go back and get all my other stuff because, again, you'll flood LinkedIn all at once. So then I'll hit confirm. And now all I got to do is every time I post on Instagram, I know it's automatically going to send over there to LinkedIn. Now, I would hit confirm if that's all I wanted to do. I'm not going to do that because that's not a workflow that I want to create. I just did that for you. So you should be thanking me for that. But anyway, I just did that for you. I'm going to delete that. So let me tell you a simple workflow that I've done, which is a workflow that I never thought I would enjoy. But I asked myself, where am I posting from the most? Well, most of the time I'm recording videos on my desktop. And it would be very convenient for me. I'm recording and editing on my desktop most of the time. So for me, it would be very convenient for me to just drag my videos into a Google Drive folder and have that Google Drive folder automatically send out that content to all my social media platforms. Very simple, hands free. Let me show you how it works. Let me log in. Let me log into my Google Drive. All right, here we go. So I'm over here on my Google Drive. Check me out. So here I am on my Google Drive, right? So here's my Google Drive. And I created a folder, which if you want to create a folder, all you got to do is hit right click, create new folder. And I labeled it clips. For me, clips means these are all the clips that I've edited that I want to now post on social media. And what that means is every video I drag inside of this folder will automatically send out to TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Pinterest, IG. I got LinkedIn on there twice. Oh, no. That's another phone. So anyway, it'll automatically send my content out. Every piece of video content that I put in here, it'll automatically send that content out to that particular, all those connected social media networks. Okay. So that's the way I did it because I just like to drag a video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a video from one of my other folders right here and I'm going to give you a prime example. So let me go back and I want to find, let me go. Another thing I did, I'll show you something I did later on. So anyway, I'm going to just download this video and it's a convenient way for me to just keep everything. So let's just say I downloaded a let's just say this is a video I just recorded. And let's just say I wanted this content to go out. So all I got to do now is go to my clips Google Drive folder, take that video that I just downloaded and just drag it in there. It just like that. That's all I got to do is drag it in there just like that. And I'm done. I don't have to go post it on Facebook. I don't have to go post it on Instagram or any other platform because repurpose.io automatically gets the signal that lets it know that, hey, Robbie just uploaded some new content inside the Google Drive folder. You might want to send it over to TikTok and Instagram and LinkedIn. Here's a prime example. Let me see if the video has been done downloading, which is the clips. Let's see here. Clips. All right. I'm going to refresh this real quick. Let's just see. All right. So I don't know if it's done downloading because it's still red. But anyway, look at this. So I'm going to go back over to repurpose.io. And you don't have to, again, this is all seamless. All I have to do is record the video, edit the video in whatever way I want to edit it, and then drag it to my Google Drive folder. I no longer have to touch anything else. And it goes out to all my social media platforms at once. So I'm going to refresh my repurpose. Notice it's at 15, still at 15 right here. But it's on a timer. It's going to know when that video is ready and fully uploaded, and it's going to send it out to all these social media platforms. That's all I have to do. So if you want a easy way to schedule content to go to all social media platforms at once, this is definitely the best software ever. I think it's like $25 a month. I mean, come on, you can't even hire a VA for that. You know what I mean? It's amazing. Another thing I use it for is because on TikTok, ironically, here's the crazy part about TikTok. I love TikTok. I grew it up to 263,000 followers right here. But TikTok is always trying to ban somebody. I know thousands of people that I used to follow that had their accounts banned for one reason or another. And ironically, the very platform that's been banning everybody is potentially going to be banned in the United States. Okay. So even if it's not going to be banned in the United States, you don't want to have all your content on here and not be able to use it on any other social media platform. And the reason why I say that is because some of these other social media platforms, they don't want you to upload your TikToks over there because it has a TikTok watermark in the videos. For instance, if I click on one of these videos here, notice it has the TikTok watermark in it. And so some of these social media platforms, even though you download the video from TikTok to your phone, they want me. Sorry, this person wants me to be their mentor, but there's a link in my bio right there. Anyway, although you download this video and upload it to, let's say, LinkedIn or Instagram, they might not show the video to as many people as they could because you have this TikTok watermark in there. Well, the cool thing is, I told repurpose.io, I said, take everything from my TikTok account, okay? Take everything from my TikTok account and save it into a Google Drive folder. So that's why you see this folder inside of my Google Drive labeled Robbie Cornelius TikToks. Not to mention, so it automatically downloaded all my TikTok videos here. So who gives a shit if I get banned? Who gives a crap if I get banned on there now? Because I got all my videos. But most importantly, watch this. This is another phenomenal thing. When I click on the videos, there are no watermarks on any of these videos. So now all of my videos that I've done over the years of being on TikTok are now saved securely in my Google Drive folder without any watermarks at all. That's another benefit. Okay, so if you want it to where every time you post on social media, whether it's Instagram or LinkedIn, your content automatically gets saved to your Google Drive folder, because you never know how these social media platforms are. One day they're popping, one day they're not. One day you're up and the next day you're shadow banned or even banned for a particular reason. And you don't want that to happen, because every piece of content that you create is an asset. And you don't want your assets tied up in one basket. So what I did is I put all of my content on my Google Drive folder, and now I feel more secure. So in addition to sending out all of my content to every single social media platform that they allow me to connect to, I also have the luxury of now owning all of my content in my own Google Drive folder. That's as simple as it. You know, if you overcomplicate this, you might have to watch another video from somebody else, but it's simple. Okay. And then I just noticed something. I've never used this part right here, but they have a calendar right here apparently. And what happens if I click on a date? What is this calendar for? It says calendar. Why is that there? What can I do with this calendar? I don't know what I can do with this. I don't know why that's there. Somebody explain that to me. Um, why is that even there? Oh, I know why that's there. It's there. I just thought about it. It's there because I can schedule things to go out in the future. For instance, let's just say I went in here and viewed my content from TikTok. I can hit let me go back. Let's just say I went in boom. Let's just say I went in here. And then I hit publish. I can schedule that content to go out any day in the future by clicking on the calendar. And when I do that, it'll automatically add it to the calendar. But again, I never did that. I just let it run automatically. I'm just trying to create a stress free life. You know, I'm trying to be free. Not trying. I am living a stress free life and I am free. So this software allows me to be free. If you like it, go to repurposesoftware.com. Repurposesoftware.com. I love it. Get more of it. Repurposesoftware.com and drop your Cornelius.